Cromartie.
I said, give us all of your money. Are you listening, moron?
I'll bet you got some change in your pockets. How about you jump for us, kid? Then we can hear how much money you've got.
What are you trying to do? Call for help? Fat chance.
No one's gonna help you around here.
That's because this is our turf. Now, if you don't want to get messed up, give us your money, punk. Hey, hey! Shouldn't you pick on someone your own size?
Huh? Who the hell do you think you are? You wanna fight, you dumbass? Fine by me, because I'd like to see you jump too.
That can be arranged. Landed.
Oh, no.
Hey, this guy's dangerous, man.
Let's get out of here.
I really appreciate your help. I don't know how to begin to thank you.
No. I only did what was right. Well, actually, I didn't do anything. Hey, you're Tanaka, the errand boy. Looks like the police are finally here. They arrested me last time because they thought I was a dangerous person on account of all the missiles I launched. It took a lot of work to get them to release me. This time, I made sure they wouldn't have a reason to book me. I'm not carrying any dangerous materials today, and I'm wearing my brand new helmet. Even the air pressure is perfect. Am I staying under the speed limit? Yes, I am. So I'm not doing anything that violates the law, officers. Motorcycle license. You need a stupid motorcycle license.